back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And if not, then I thank you for coming back. So yeah, guys, I came in here today and I thought about you guys and I was like, okay, I gotta put a video out. So I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I tried to think what I had in my closet that I could do something with. So I sat down, I thought about what I had in my closet and I said, okay, I got it. And it came up with this eye look. So guys, if you want to know how I got this look, okay, keep on. I've already prepped and primed my eyes. My eyebrows are on. So let's see what we're going to do today. I think I'm going to work out of the good old Morphe James Charles palette, guys. Haven't used them in a while, so I figured I'd pull him out. So let's see, because you know these colors are not on the shadows. So I think I'm going to start out with this color right here called Cold James. Okay, so I'm just going to brush that over the top part up here. Getting made up and nowhere to go. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to take, let's go with 518, and then I'm going to go with Rustic. This is 518. That's going to be my first color. Then I'm going to go with Rustic. I'm going to put that right up here also. And then I'm going to take the Rustic. Place that up there also. I'm going to take this 10% off, which is this color, and put it in my crease. Just going to pack it in the crease. Alrighty then, now we're going to blend. And then I'm going to take Spooky and put it on the outer corners of my eye. Probably shouldn't, but I am. Ooh, that black is talking. We're going to take this Morphe brush here. You guys know I'm going to wing it out. Take it up in the crease a little bit. Then I'm going to take a little bit more of that, what color was that? 518, that orange looking color. I'm going to run it across the top of that to blend this black in a little bit. I'm going to take that Spooky again. And I'm going to make my black line a little bit more visible. There we go. That's it. Okay. Guys, I'm going to cut this crease. Woo! I haven't cut a crease. And I don't know when. But we're going to take this. I don't want to go with that color. Let me see. I'm going to take some more of this orange, guys. I don't feel like... We're going to go back into this, what was that? It's Cold James. I'm going to put that right in there because it don't look like I got anything in there. And just dust it a little bit. Now let's try to cut this crease. And I think I'm going to use, that's too dark. We need a lighter concealer. I'm going to use Golden 40 by COLOURPOP. This one here, guys. Okay. Might pull this out. So now, the color I'm going to use, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. Gonna be yellow. We're gonna go in with this yellow. And this color here by Charles palette is called B. And then he also has one in here called Tune. So I'm gonna show you the ones he got. This one here is called B. We're gonna go in with B and then Tone. So I'm gonna take B first. Let's try going with Tone first. Let's go on with, we're gonna do Tone first. You know what I'm saying? And just pack it on there. Then I'm gonna go in with B. We're going to go back in with Cold James. We're going to clean up. I'm going in with Cold James. Let's try this black. It's going to give me a harsh line though. We're going to fix this up where we done. Sweep it out so I try to fade in. Take a little bit more of the black. Okay. I'm going to go back into that rustic orange that we were into the first time. And I'm going to put that right in there. Trying to blend it. Go into this ColourPop period, and it's called Here We Go Again. This color here, guys. Here we go again. Let me take the top off. You guys can see it. And we're going to pop that where the yellow is. We're going to use our finger and put it where the yellow is. And just press it on there. I think we is. And we're going to have to blend again. I'm gonna pick that 518 up again. Rustic. I'm gonna mix rustic and the 518. Okay, and I'm gonna take that spooky and put it where I just dab where I messed up at right here. So you don't want to just kind of hanging over, making it dusty. Okay, now let's blend that. I'm gonna go back into rustic. Yeah, let's go back into 10% off. We're gonna go back into the crease. Then it looks like this. This dark brown here. Let's put Benny in there. Let's see. We're gonna use a little small pencil-like brush like this one, guys. We're gonna see. That'll darken it up. I don't want to really take my red out. Let me see. Here a little bit more of this Benny. That made it darker. We'll come back to the eyes, but let's get our foundation on. And yeah, I said I was gonna let y'all watch me put it on this time, so I'm gonna let y'all watch. But I'm gonna speed it up because this gonna be a long enough video, so I'm gonna speed it up. Y'all, my camera stopped recording. I don't know why, but hope you didn't miss much. I wasn't saying anything anyways. But anyways, brush really makes your foundation look flawless. 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 Concealer. I'm going to use Fenty in the color. I'm going to use Fenty in the color 390. Okay. And now we're going to take our bronzer. And I'm going to use this Morphe bronzer. Sometimes I think it's a little too dark for me though. So, but we're going to roll with it. And this is called Romantic. And it looks like this, guys. And it might be the right color for me. You guys let me know down below if you think it's a little too dark for me. We're going to use this blush right here. And it's called Peach Pink. Okay, and it is called Show Me Your Cheeks. BECCA and Champagne, guys. Ooh. Ooh. I ain't even do my bronzer down my nose, did I? Told y'all I got to be reminded of what to do. I forget. Highlight off. It's a little too much for me. Okay, guys, we're going to use this gold eyeliner. These is for your eyes and your lips. I've had these a while. Some of them I haven't even used. I think I had these when I first started my YouTube channel. So let's use this gold. And so now we're going to finish under the eye. We're going to go in with this rustic and this 518 orange. A flat definer, that's what this is called. So we're going to go in with the 518 and the rustic. To match that back there. Alrighty, now we're going to do our mascara. Y'all know we're going to take this Extreme. NARS Extreme. Climax Extreme. Y'all know what we're going to do. Last time. Oh, and these are Iconics. Iconic, and they're in the Lash 30, guys. Maul It Over. This is called Maul It Over. So I feel like this color looks better than the Dose of Color. Dose of Color, and that was in Dose of Color was in Truffle. Truffle was a little too pink. This got some orange in it, hint of orange. And I think this looks better with it. So yeah, we'll go with that. Okay, guys. Let me go put some clothes on. Yeah, guys, I had to go in there and find me a shirt to put on. So yeah, I found me a shirt. I think it looks good with the look. Yeah, I'm looking over here at my viewfinder. Yes. This eye look though. I did that. And I'm telling y'all, I ain't playing in no makeup. But I did this. Today I felt a little bit more comfortable with doing my makeup. So some of this stuff that you've already seen me do, makeup that you've already seen me done, it will be sped up in the video. I'm just letting you know now, it's gonna be sped up because it's gonna take the video be too long, and I don't like to do no long videos. But anyway, even though they are like 15 minutes, but you know how it is. But anyways, guys, yes, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend. I don't know when this video is going to go up because I'm ahead of myself, guys. So, continue to take care of yourself, and God, always remember to love someone, because tomorrow is not promised. I'll see you guys in my next